Hey, what's up, Speakophiles? Wellington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the brand new JBL Xtreme 3 going up against Studio 6. I've done videos about these speakers, so if you're looking for detailed review videos, you can always go browse through my channel. You'll find the videos there. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on how these two compare sound-wise. And with that said, let's get our sound sample. As usual, I will be using a high-quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please make sure you are using headphones. With that said, let us hear the speakers speak.
Job, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, Finnish friends on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat. loving something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving, on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you only call me on the weekend.
And there you have it. What did you think? Let me know in the comment section down there. Also, if you feel like supporting the channel, you can become a member, and you can also go check out some of my merch over in my merch store. You said in or at or on my merch store? I don't know, but you can check stuff out. Link in the description down there. You can also head over to Instagram and follow me because, you know, why not? Okay, so the Xtreme 3 is louder than the Studio 6, and even at maximum volume, it sounds more powerful than the Studio 6 right here. The highs of the Xtreme 3 are also sharper as expected, and the mids are also slightly brighter than those of the Studio 6. You know, as expected if you've been watching my my most recent videos. But you can laugh and call the design of the Studio 6 whatever you want, but it's the hardest speaker to beat when it comes to best performance. And the Xtreme 3 also failed to beat it when it comes to best performance. It's just too good. The bass is just amazing on there. There are songs that you can't tell that they have some underlying bass lines on all these speakers until you play them on the Studio 6 and you realize like, oh, that song goes that deep in bass. And yes, that is how good the Studio 6 is when it comes to bass performance. It's just good. I call the Studio 5 and the Studio 6, they're all like, you know, best kings to me. So an amazing speaker when it comes to best performance and honestly overall sound performance. It's not one of those speakers where they just focus on only bass and everything else is drowned out. You still get some good highs, good mids with amazing bass. So again, if you're one of those people, bass heads looking for the best that you can get out of a speaker, the Studio 6 is still your go-to speaker unless you're looking for other features that the Xtreme 3 offers. I still think the Studio 6 is a pretty good speaker. I don't like that it's mono, but hey, you sometimes have to take some trade-offs when it comes to sound and these speakers, and that's something I don't mind. I still think it's a good sounding speaker and it's actually a pretty good bang for your buck in comparison to the price that the Xtreme 3 is priced at and the kind of sound you get out of it. So there you have it. The Studio 6 is still the best king in my book in comparison to speakers that are around its price and its size. So yes, again, there you have it. Thank you for watching this one. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.